How to change language on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up TikTok and log into your account. Once you do that, you want to click on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen, and then click on the three lines at the top right of the screen. Then click on settings and privacy, and here you want to scroll down to the content and activity section, and from there you want to click on language, and then click on app language, which is the first option, where you can select the default language for the app. And here you will find a large list of languages that you can choose from. Once you have found the language that you want to apply, just click on it, and after that click on the save button at the top right of the screen, and as you can see, the language has now been applied to the app. But keep in mind that if you choose a new language, the TikTok app will download that language to the system, to the app, and it might take like 1 or 2 minutes to be downloaded, and after that it will be applied. Let me show you. I have pre-downloaded the French language, that's why it was applied so fast. Say for example I want to download Filipino and then click save. As you can see, the language is now being downloaded. It might take 1 or 2 minutes for it to be applied, depending on your internet speed, but after that it's the same process. As you can see right now, it's changed to Filipino. So yeah, that was it for this video. That's how you can change the TikTok language. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.